How's it going, crew? This is Happy Days, and welcome to another Terraria 1.3.1 update video. So as you guys can probably tell, I've been grinding away on the invasion, getting lots of medals, fighting Betsy, the boss in the final wave, and I wanted to share one of the new weapons with you today, and that is Betsy's Wrath. And this thing is absolutely insane, guys. It has a fire attack similar to what Betsy does during the invasion, and it just deals a ton of damage. So what we're actually going to do is go up to our dummies up here. I have a damage or a DPS meter equipped, and let's actually smack on these things a bit. And as you can see, guys, doing a couple of thousand damage a second, as well as splash damage. That is just absolutely insane. Now, I was looking at the drop chances on the wiki, and it looks like people are thinking it's about a 14% drop chance at the moment. Now, if you do play expert mode, you do get a treasure bag from Betsy, and I believe you get one of her items guaranteed. So that's one of the bonuses of playing expert mode. Now, if you want a little tip for beating the invasion, I found the last prism is absolutely amazing at shredding the invasion, like it is most things in the game. But as you can see, guys, this Betsy's Wrath is just a super fantastic weapon. I can't wait to check out the other ones. I'll keep farming them up. I might do a few in one video. We'll see how we go. But guys, if you're enjoying these updates, smash that like button, subscribe to see more, and I'll keep you updated on what else I find during this invasion. And here's the most important part, as always, you'll stay happy, and I'll see you soon. This is Happy Days signing out. See ya!